time for showbiz. We're blessing the scenario, fronting on the remix. Ace Man and Ellie, we drop it like this. What you think about that? Said I got it locked down, all you see is a curse. Cause they pay to bump it up like they're ready to burst. Now you see me making it, dropping rhymes till it hurts. Look at it, let an Ellie girl carry on with the verse. What you think about that? What I'm saying is that it would know when it's time to let go. Yeah. Deep down inside there's a picture of us. Cause back in them days had more than a little trust. Never thought that the bubble would bust. I knew it because there was nothing too hard we couldn't adjust. They say if you love somebody, set her free. Wasn't even willing cause you were too precious to me. Eventually, it tore us apart at the seams when your eyes can't see. In comes a misery, suddenly it hurts to reminisce about a miss. How it all fell apart with just a little kiss. Was the same kind of kiss that put you top on my list. There was you acting like I never knew about this now. Gotta close my eyes and drift away, put our past behind. Every moment, every single day, turn it up a little bit and let it play to hear us say